Slime is a fun and versatile craft you can make without borax using common household ingredients. You can create stretchy slime by mixing craft glue, dish soap, and water, followed by adding baking soda to achieve the right consistency. For a colorful touch, add food coloring and teach kids about color mixing. Alternatively, combine cornstarch, dish soap, and water for a foamy texture, and enhance the sensory experience with glitter or small objects. If you prefer a toothpaste-based slime, mix dish soap and toothpaste, add salt to thicken it, then cool in the fridge to achieve the right consistency. Always store your slime in an airtight container to extend its lifespan, and remember to adjust the ingredients based on humidity for the best results.